How to fix ChatGPT lagging slow reply. So first thing you want to do is do some troubleshooting. So first thing is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connections. It may impact ChatGPT's response time. Then you might want to try and reduce or clear your browser cache and cookies by simply just going to your browser and then to the settings and then clear your browsing data. Then you might want to disable your browser extensions. So sometimes browser extensions can interfere with ChatGPT's performance. Then you might want to also check ChatGPT's server status. Make sure that there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. And simply just try simple prompts. So if it's long and complex prompts, it can take longer to process. So try to make sure that you're doing just simple prompts. And then you might want to also try a new chat because usually it's because the chat is very old and contains a lot of data that it's slowing because of all that information that you inputted before by prompting a lot of things. And lastly, you might want to try disabling any VPN, and if you're using any, try to disable it and just refresh the page and then restart the device.